Chapter 4. Card Spreads. Tarot Guidebook. 78 Card Deck Guidebook. Astrology Spread. The Tarot. Astrology Spread is a popular tarot spread used to gain insight into the different areas of one's life based on the 12 zodiac signs. It is an excellent spread for those who are interested in astrology and want to gain a deeper understanding of how astrological signs related to their life. The spread consists of 12 cards, each representing a different zodiac sign. The spread is usually laid out in a circle, with each card placed in its corresponding position in the circle. The positions are arranged in a clockwise direction starting from Aries. Here is the layout of the Tarot Astrology Spread. Aries. This card represents the energy of the self, ambition, and initiative. It speaks to the individual's drive and determination to succeed. Taurus. This card represents the individual's relationship with money and material possessions. It speaks to the individual's need for security and stability. Gemini. This card represents communication and the way the individual expresses themselves. It speaks to the individual's ability to articulate their thoughts and ideas. Cancer. This card represents the individual's emotional life and relationships. It speaks to the individual's need for emotional security and nurturing. Leo. This card represents the individual's creativity and self-expression. It speaks to the individual's desire to be seen and recognized for their talents and abilities. Virgo. This card represents the individual's work and health. It speaks to the individual's need for structure and order in their daily life. Libra. This card represents the individual's relationships and partnerships. It speaks to the individual's desire for balance and harmony in their relationships. Scorpio. This card represents transformation and the individual's ability to handle change. It speaks to the individual's depth of feeling and emotional intensity. Sagittarius. This card represents the individual's spirituality and sense of adventure. It speaks to the individual's desire for knowledge and exploration. Capricorn. This card represents the individual's career and reputation. It speaks to the individual's ambition and desire for success. Aquarius. This card represents the individual's social life and community involvement. It speaks to the individual's desire for humanitarian causes and social change. Pisces. This card represents the individual's intuition and spiritual connections. It speaks to the individual's sensitivity and ability to empathize with others. Interpretation. Each card in the Tarot Astrology Spread represents a different aspect of the individual's life, as related to the corresponding zodiac sign. The interpretation of each card will depend on the specific tarot deck used and the reader's interpretation. Generally, the Tarot Astrology Spread can provide insight into the individual's strengths and weaknesses, their desires and motivations, and the areas of their life that require attention and focus. The spread can be used to gain a deeper understanding of one's self, as well as provide guidance and direction in various areas of life. It can also highlight potential obstacles and challenges that may arise in each area, allowing the individual to prepare and make informed decisions.